I have an update with the issue that I found with the Ring smart lighting that I purchased. I bought the Ring Floodlight Wired plus Bridge bundle. Amazon calls it the Ring Smart Lighting Floodlight Wired Black Starter Kit. Here's the Ring Floodlight. And here you will see the Ring Smart Lighting Bridge. This bridge is required to control your floodlight and add it to your Ring account. When you set up these devices and connect your Ring bridge to the floodlight, it will have you group them together. The floodlight itself will not show up in your device list. You will only see the bridge itself and the group that you have them both in. You will have to go to the group to control the floodlight. That's not too big of a problem. Ring has 3 roles or types of user accounts: owners, shared users, and guests. The owner account is the account that the devices are registered to, and this account controls everything. The issue is with shared users. The Ring website states that shared users can receive notifications from the group, but that's not the case. Only the owner account receives notifications from the group. I have confirmed this with Ring customer support. Ring customer support stated that this is a known issue and they are working to resolve it. Here is what I was told. It was an intentional decision by our leadership team to hold enabling the sharing feature of the smart lighting groups with shared users for the meantime. They elected to take additional time to optimize the experience, so we have chosen to hold off the release of this small app feature. Our team is working to complete the solution as soon as possible, and sharing access will be granted once we are satisfied the feature meets our high standards. We are also excited for the release of that sharing feature with our Ring Smart Light devices. Once it is released, you will be the first to know about it. We will be keeping you posted for any updates regarding your concern. So at this point, only one person will be notified of motion around your house, what Ring refers to as your ring of protection. So if you are at work and you are the device owner, other family members will not receive notification of motion around your ring of protection. Hopefully you have internet connectivity at the time of notification, or you have access to your phone. For my family, that's a problem. Both my wife and I need to be notified of motion around our house. Once I receive an update from Ring customer support, or this feature is enabled, I will make an update video to keep you all posted. My Amazon affiliate links are in the description. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.